Hello everybody, my name is Andy Williams. I'm from the TA training organisation up here in Yorkshire in Leeds. This is Myla. Hello Myla. We're recording this in February, just after the snow. My workshop at the UKATA National Conference is going to be on philosophy, your philosophy, my philosophy, humanistic and pluralistic philosophy, and then how do we apply these ideas to our practice. So it'll be in sort of a workshop in three bits. So the first thing we'll be looking at is how do you and I understand what our philosophy is, and how does that empower our practice. So that's the first thing that we'll do. We'll begin to understand what that means for us. What we'll do next is we'll be looking at pluralistic philosophy, and this wonderful idea that two truths can both be true at the same time, which I think is a wonderful conundrum. That was absolutely gross. And finally, how do we apply that to difference and diversity in our practice? How do we, in a sense, almost do difference and diversity? How does these philosophical positions give us a platform onto which to base? Do you want to get down? How do these philosophical positions give us a platform onto which to base our practice and to think about difference and diversity in our work? So I really look forward to seeing you online in April, and I think Myla, my dog, is about to rip my arm off, so we'll leave it there. Thanks very much.